Today I am going to show you how to get more eggs in Widgetable application. It is a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. First, open the Widgetable application. There are few ways to get more eggs in Widgetable application. Don't worry, I will tell you all the ways to get more eggs. So let's start with the first way. First, click on the pets option. Now click on the new eggs option on the top left corner. You have to get a lifetime subscription and then you will able to get eggs weekly. As you can see, you can receive one pet egg immediately and one every week thereafter. Secondly, you can shop for eggs. You can purchase one or multiple eggs from the shop. You can also get more eggs by inviting your friends. You can invite your friends by clicking on the friend option and invite or add a new friend by sending your Widgetable code to your friend.